Today I'll be showing you how to make your own Independence Day badge. Hey all, welcome to Sparklebox. This is Yamini, and if you haven't yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, quickly click on the subscribe button because you are missing out a lot of DIY stuff. Now let's get started with our today's DIY. The materials required are colored A4 sheets, scissor, pencil, scale, Fevicol, sketch pens.
On an orange colored sheet, draw the stripes as shown. Keeping green and white sheets behind it, cut the strips with scissors. Now fold and then paste them with Fevicol. Take a paper circle and paste the paper cutouts on it. Take another paper circle and make blue colored lines on it which depicts Ashok Chakra. Paste it on the badge as shown. Use tricolor strips to complete the badge.
Independence Day tricolor badge is ready. I found it interesting. I'm sure you will also find it even more interesting when you give it a try yourself. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comment section below. I'll be back with another